I am Vincent Alvarado, and I will present a real-life example of variation. My choice is situation is about buying mangoes in the market.
Presenting the situation. When we buy mango, the seller computes the price depending on how many kilos we purchase. The more kilos we buy, the higher the total cost will be.
Explaining the variation. This is an example of direct variation. As the number of kilos increases, the total price also increases proportionally if the kilo decreases. The prices also decreases.
Okay, no.
Showing the equation. Showing the equation right on the board. We can write is y equals kx, where y is the total cost x. Showing the equation right on the board. We can write is y equals kx, when y is total cost, x is the number of kilos, and k is the price per kilo for example of the price. Per kilo is 80 pesos. The equation y equals 80x. 3.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the price of mangoes is simple but clear example of direct variation. It shows how much is present in everyday life.
Okay.